made it to the Premier Inn where I'm staying for 2 nights. It's always a nice church, but it's lovely stonework and architecture.
Thank you, stage man.
Hello! Hey! Morning. On the way to Hitchin for the Meetup. Just gone 22 on a train to London Bridge, up by local station Epsom.
Southern service to London Bridge. Please remember to take all your belongings with you when you leave the train.
Just made it to London Bridge. It's just gone 8:30. Just got just over half an hour to the next train. I've got to get down there to platform 5. That's right. Now on platform 5, you can see there. Second train, 8:46 Cambridge, calling at Hitchin as well, straight up to Cambridge. 8 minutes to go, roughly. Blackfriars, City Thames Link, Paddington, Pancras, Stevenage, Hitchin, Letchworth, all that.
Royston and Cambridge.
I'm at Hitchin station already. Damn. It felt like only 5 minutes I was at London Bridge. It's 9:37. I'll make my way to the Premier Inn, get up this case, and then head round Hitchin and the charity shop, etc, etc. It's just gone 10 o'clock. Made it to Hitchin. There's the station. Sun's out, blue sky. It's not raining, fingers crossed, touch wood. I'm gonna walk to Premier Inn because it's like a 20-minute walk and to get a bit of exercise. But there's a McDonald's down there round the corner. Never go in it because it's disgusting, it's horrible, and the food's crap and the staff are useless and the floor's all horrible. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a chocolate bar from Tesco Express and head that way to the Premier Inn. I need to head that way, Walsworth or whatever it is called, outside the Radcliffe Arms pub, and I've got 2 of these lovely Twix white, the extra ones. Nick and Andrew had the game shop around here somewhere, one of those shops I think, I'm sure it was. It might even be one that says Stonegate Estates. Head this way to La Premier Inn, get rid of this bad boy. Made it to the Premier Inn where I'm staying for 2 nights. It's not as far as I thought. It's a bit of good exercise though, you know what I mean? Right next to M&S next and all that. Around the church, all that. Charity shop. By the way, Bob's your uncle, so get rid of the case in the Premier Inn. Can't check until 3 o'clock. That was the quickest bag drop off I've ever done in this Premier Inn. Normally I'm waiting like 10 minutes for someone to come and serve me, but a lady came really quickly, lovely, excellent, dropped the bag off. Now I'm going to head round the town and have a look around and get back to the week, go and chat shops and get a pint or 2. Homeland, open down. 50% off. Garden House Hospice over there. So I'll come back and do the charity shops later. Do the ones in main town centre first. I'll pop into Next first because there's a couple down there as well. Past B&M is the Hitchin Museum in the town hall. So I'll try and do that a bit later if there's time. Hoping there is. So I head this way and explore the main town area. Hitchin Arcade and the legendary Oinskis, which I've never even been into. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around charity shops right now because I want to get them done and dusted and all that stuff. Because a scope here has gone. One in my local town went as well. Hitch Trust. And what used to be Scope, and then you've got one down, or two down Churchgate, one down by Starbucks to the left, Oxfam, then a load down there. It's quite a stretch, and then I'll grab something to eat. I'm going to stop for a Greg. Got Cinnabar here. Right. When I first come to Hitchin, I think the second time as well, it used to be the Cock Inn. Sure it did. 100% sure it did. Heading back to the main town. It is 1:20. You know what, I might quickly flick up to the museum to allow me to film. I've been to Hitchin Museum second time. The hotel, Premier Inn, I'm booking till 3. It is now 5 minutes past 2. I'm in the main square. I'm going to head behind me left of Nationwide to see the church, and then just keep wandering around to see other historical parts of Hitchin. I've got to eat my Kit Kat Extra. Here is the memorial to people who died in the Second World War in Hitchin, 1939 to 1945. The church is behind me. It's a nice church. It's quite well maintained. There is behind me Korsberg, but it's closed. Welcome to the beautiful and historic church of St Mary's, Hitchin. There we go. St Mary's, Hitchin. It's quite nice actually, but it's good they got some funding or something to restore it. Right, what I'm going to do now is head to the Premier Inn and get checked in, cup of tea, level 3. That does say 3503, something like that. Anyway, or 303 or... oh, I don't know, 303 probably. Here in Premier Inn, room 303. So what I'm going to do is have a cup of tea and 5 minutes to relax because it's just gone 4 o'clock. And what I'll do is unpack, sort myself out, have a wash, may even have a quick dunk in the shower, whatever. Almost ready to go out down to Weatherspoons. It's just gone 5:30, so I'll be another 5-10 minutes. Put a pair of shoes on and a coat and that. And yeah, I'll catch you a bit later.
That's not your best angle. It really is. Bargain hunt was your drink, mister. I've been on a regular bargain hunt.
2,000 years later.
It's Saturday morning, day of the meetup, but I'm going to head to the meetup in a sec. and see everyone there. So I'll try and get a few clips at the meetup. Hey, Richard.
Hallelujah. Thank you, stage man.
Hello. Hey, you're in.
Thank you.
We'll go Robert in the season for him.
Thank you very much.
Responded to me before.
We got Oinskis, Cannon Hills, Lager. Still drinking the Mock and Coke. We're going for a kebab or something. I don't want kebab, but don't worry, we're standing here like fucking sore thumbs. It's exactly to kebab house.
2,000 years later.
Morning, it's Sunday, just about to head to the Weatherspoons where people are meeting. Just had some breakfast with Richard and Derek, and saw Adrian and Chris B and all the others come and go. Thanks everyone for watching this weekend vlog. Let me know in the comments section below what you liked. Like, share and subscribe. Take care.